This is a simple DIY head wrap you can try for tomorrow's service. It is very simple and very easy. The description of the ashok is on the screen. I'm using 4 layers. The measurement I'll be working with is 50-50, so I folded it into 2. So at this middle here, I'm going to be pleating it. So watch my hand and see how I'm going to pleat it, or as I'm pleating it. So I finished pleating. The next thing, I'm going to replace my hand here with a rubber band. After replacing my hand with a rubber band, I'm going to see the next thing I'll be doing. So just focus your eyes so you understand what I am teaching you. So after replacing my hand here, I'm going to be placing it on my head. So watch out. Then fold these edges in. Take the remaining to the back. So this remaining I'm taking to the back. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it. See? Then the next thing is to cross it. Okay, so watch what I'm doing. After crossing it, I'm going to take the remaining to the front here. So one side here, I'm going to wrap it inwardly. Take the remaining up. I'm taking the remaining up, then I'll secure with a pin. Okay. So once I'm done securing one side, the next thing is to work with this other side. I'll repeat the same process. Okay. So after wrapping it inwardly, I will take it up, then secure this other side with pins. I'm using long pin for this, okay? I'm using long pins. So this is the outcome of it. You can see it is very neat. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to take this up. To design this front here, I'm going to take it up, then secure with a pin one side, then repeat the next thing, the same thing in this other side too. Once I'm done securing this other side, I'm going to repeat the same here in this side. So if you're using the same color of the ashoke with your rubber band, you can leave the middle like that, but since it is not the same color, I'm going to be using brooch to cover the middle here, and it's also another way of creating a design at that center there. So this is the outcome. You can see it is very simple. Please support me by liking this page and also sharing this video for me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.